Hi everybody, Jewel here with you for J7409 Weather for the evening edition, Monday, the 20th of January, 2020. Three little words will sum it all up for the next at least 24 hours. Stay bundled up. It's going to be abnormally cold, folks, through Wednesday. We got some rain and higher elevation snow from the Pacific Northwest to the Rockies that's going to occur, and some showers and wintry precipitation to develop over the heartland by Wednesday. Now, this could bring a lot of snow to some people. We'll check it all out. Please don't forget to subscribe and click that bell. Check off all. Thank you for your comments, your likes, everything you do for me. I appreciate it so much. Just wanted to throw that in there. I've looked over a bunch of maps and a bunch of models and this and that, but there's no need to show a million. I can do this quickly for you. The NAM map through Thursday is looking pretty accurate. So this is what we're going to be using for this time. And this map, of course, is courtesy of Tropical Tidbits as I turn it on. Pay attention, folks. Cold weather in Florida. Now, this winter will maintain a tight grip over the central and eastern U.S. for this evening, tonight, into tomorrow. Parts of the Midwest, most notably eastern Nebraska and Iowa, you guys can expect temperatures to fall below zero tomorrow morning. Moving a little farther east, most locations will see daily temperature anomalies between 10 and 20 degrees below normal. Now, we do have these freeze warnings. The freeze warnings have already been issued, as I showed you in the morning forecast, for parts of north central Florida and southeastern Georgia, where the temperatures are forecast to dip below freezing by tomorrow morning. Now, by Wednesday, we got some milder temperatures that's going to return to the plains, while the East Coast and Deep South is going to see one more day of cold conditions. Milder temperatures work their way to the east the second half of this coming week. Now, spotty showers track through portions of the west coast this afternoon, and we do have a potent storm system that's going to head for the Pacific Northwest, leading to an increase in precipitation coverage tonight into tomorrow. Now, in the lower elevations along the coast, of course, it will be rain, and it will be common from northern California to western Washington, and in the higher elevations, snow will blanket the mountain ranges, with the Cascades getting the most, with totals that could exceed a foot. Now, farther south, we have an influx of moisture. It will track across the southwest tonight and tomorrow, and lead to some light rain and mountain snow accumulations for portions of the Rockies and Colorado. Utah and Wyoming can expect measurable snowfall Tuesday and into Wednesday. Now, the disturbances tracking through the west, they should reach the plains by tomorrow night. And then, of course, into Wednesday. And the high pressure is going to move over the eastern U.S. on Wednesday, and some moist southerly flow will develop over the central U.S. Now, this is going to generate areas of wintry precipitation. As you can see, this ice going through with the snow and the rain to the south of it. Now, while the snow and ice accumulations are expected to be light to start with, there still could be some slick spots from the central plains to the western Great Lakes during the day and into the evening hours for Wednesday. In the southern plains, rain will be the predominant precipitation type, with a few thunderstorms possible in East Texas late Wednesday. Now, we see this low that spins up here that comes off of Florida. I talked about it earlier, but I had someone, I guess they didn't hear me or understand what I was saying. I said at one point it would have Category 1 hurricane winds, but it's not going to bother anybody. It's going to go on out to sea. It's not going to bring rain. It's not going to bring wind. It's not going to bother anybody. It's going to move on out, as you can see. But you can also see, as we go through time here, the snow is going to bank up and be all up in Iowa, Wisconsin, lower Minnesota. We got some in Indiana. This is light snow, though. This is light snow right now through Tuesday. The heavier snow is going to be over in Colorado, but it's not a big snow out. And up in parts of Wyoming and Idaho and Utah. Gets a little heavier as we move through time by Thursday, moving on up and out and across. So I'll keep my eyes on the system for you. If I see any changes, I'll be sure and get it out. Do not fret, and please, everybody on the East Coast, stay bundled up. It's going to be cold till at least Wednesday. Everybody have a good evening, a safe evening, and a blessed evening. Make sure to grab that heavy coat on your way out for Wednesday morning. Much peace, love, and kindness to each of you. Thank you so much for watching.